Johannesburg. The chilling courtroom confession has sent shockwaves across South Africa after a 25-year-old preschool teacher admitted to killing her 4-year-old Lena, who was also her stepdaughter. Sanabira mashoko kubuda chinzi aiwa is preschool teacher kills Lena. Chitiko chavhundutsa vanhu panguva inoi. Vanhu vakati aiwa vanhu havachi kurarama here, aiwa vanhu vanoita zvinhu zvinoshamisa kudai. Sabira mashoko ava zvizere ndoto kwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa munawo mubuda munyoka muchenzi. Amber Lee Hoffs appeared before the High Court of South Africa, Gauteng Division in Johannesburg, where she submitted supplementary admissions in a case that has already seen both the state and the defense who argue their merits. Hoffs confessed to drowning 4-year-old Nada Jane Jalita following what she described as an emotionally charged dispute with the child's father over infidelity. In her admission, Hoffs also revealed she had been diagnosed with borderline personality disorder, but stated she was fully aware of her actions at the time. She further disclosed that she had attempted to take her own life multiple times after the incident. Despite admitting to the murder, House family denied charges of rape, claiming she had no knowledge of such allegations. The tragic case has been postponed to 7 August 2025 for closing arguments on the submitted admissions. House remains in custody pending her next court appearance. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoi. Aiwa chibupidai comment section medu mbotudza mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa chitiko chiri kuonekwa kunzi chashoka. Aiwa all the corners aiwa of the world. Tipindai comment section medu mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.